No one warned me that discipline would feel this quiet. Not peaceful, quiet. No applause, no validation, just long stretches where nothing dramatic happens, except you choosing the harder option again. That silence is where most people quit. I used to think discipline was about intensity, grinding, pushing, proving something. It isn't. Discipline is repetition without excitement. It's showing up when your emotions don't agree. It's choosing structure when chaos feels more honest. Motivation feels good because it's social. Discipline feels lonely because it's private. When you stop explaining your goals, people stop clapping. When you stop oversharing, feedback disappears. That's the cost. Not because people don't care, but because discipline removes performance. You're no longer living for reaction, you're living for alignment. And alignment doesn't trend. Something changes when you accept the loneliness. Your schedule tightens, your standards rise, your excuses get quieter. You stop asking, "Is this worth it?" and start asking, "Can I live with the alternative?" That question is clarifying. Consistency doesn't build hype, it builds trust with yourself. You begin to rely on your own word. You stop bargaining with time. You stop waiting for permission to begin. It's not dramatic, it's dependable. And dependable people compound. Discipline feels lonely because it separates you from noise, from shortcuts, from comforting lies. Most people avoid it not because it's hard, but because it reveals who they are when no one is watching. Loneliness isn't a side effect, it's the filter. If discipline feels lonely, don't panic. You're not lost, you're early. And early always feels quiet. Discipline feels lonely because it's building a life most people never commit to.